Good morning, Center Directors and Joint Health and Safety Committee members. As some of you may know, I have made some changes to the repair and maintenance submission system. We will now be submitting items using JotForm with the QR code and link seen here. You'll receive a poster that can be printed and hung in the Center Director's office, similar to the one provided before. The form looks identical to the existing one, so the process should feel very familiar. The form can be filled out on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. As a personal suggestion, I would fill out the form using a tablet or smartphone. Pictures can be taken while completing the form or beforehand and added from your photo library. For those that have not filled out the form, here's a quick video, an example of what that might look like. You add the date, the name of the individual filling out the form, the center that the repair is required, where in the center, the location such as P4, T2, or staff bathroom, and then please describe the issue requiring repair and maintenance. Upload a photo so that I can know and get a better idea of what the repair is. A photo can be worth 1,000 words, and it lets me get an idea of what parts might be required. And then submit. Here's an example of what the poster will look like. We are hoping to keep the number of people filling out the form to a minimum. That way I know who I can talk to when on site about your required repair or maintenance. One of the largest changes that comes with this new system is the ability to respond to submissions by email. I can provide updates such as parts on order or waiting for plumber or other contractor. When a response is sent, it also includes your submission through JotForm so that you know exactly which issue it is that I'm referencing. If you have an issue that requires immediate attention, please reach out to me by phone. As a better way to help our facilities team, we are requesting that all work be submitted by the repair and maintenance form. Before completing any work, we would hope that a request has been submitted, or I might ask for one to be completed while I'm on site. This will help us track and plan for future repair and maintenance cycles. In addition to filling out the form, if you do need immediate assistance, please reach out to me by phone at 226-919-6315. If you have any questions about the new system, please give me a call. I hope to talk to you all soon. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.